Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video we're going to talk about map function in Python. Okay, imagine we have an input list of different random integers like this, and what we want to do is that we want to multiply each element by 2 and store them in the output list. Recently we have talked about the list comprehension technique, which was a very professional and faster way to do it. But in this one, we're going to talk about the map function. In order to do this, we need to define a function like this. We call it func. This function, as an input, it gets element and returns element times 2. Okay. In Python, there is a function called map. So we can say output.list equals to map function. This function, as an input, it gets a function that we wrote recently. We just simply say func, and as a second argument it gets a list of items that we had it here. So input list. So the map function in Python is going to apply this function that we wrote here to each element y by 1 and return the whole result back into the output list that we wrote here. Okay, so if we check what is inside the output list, we save it, we run it, and we can get that this is the map object. Okay, so what we want is a list of let's say items, a list of some numbers. So what we have is a map object. So how we can let's say convert this type to a list type. So basically we can call the list cast function and we can do it easily. Okay, if you run it again, okay, we can see that we have the list that we were looking for. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.